So we will do the new chapter. Chapter name AP. Chapter name
AP.
Andhra Pradesh.
Arithmetic progression.
Arithmetic
Formation.
Arithmetic progression, right? Check the spelling. I don't know I've written correct or wrong. Acha. So what is meaning of arithmetic and progression? Arithmetic and progression. Acha. Arithmetic means one word you are getting. This is related with number 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Yes or no? And progression means a series. A series or series, then it will come into sequence. Then it will come to sequence. So say if I writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, see it's going like a series, correct na? Or I can say 1, 3, 5, 7, 10, 12, correct. See here 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10. It's not same. It's not same. But this all are a series. All are a series. Correct na? But if I say a sequence, sequence means it is related with some pakka formula. Right? Like I am writing 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Correct na? Means see, in between 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 6 plus 8 plus 2 10. Correct na? So this is called a sequence. Means going in the some proper manner. Means if I want to write in the short form, if I write n plus 2, is it will come true? No. N plus 1. Correct na? Then it will be becoming proper. Where like n is equal to minimum 1 should be there. Correct na? So if n is equal to 1, n is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1 2. Sorry, we can't write here n plus 1 to can't write, because if you take n is equal to 2, n is equal to means 2 plus 1 we are getting is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. Okay, leave. So here, but it is in the form of some sequence. It is in the form of some sequence. Acha. If I say to write in this format, this is the even number, all are even number? All are even number. How you can get this sequence? Like I have written n plus 1, but n plus 1 was wrong. Right? So how we can write the proper sequence for it? Think any number? Sir, right? 2n plus 1. Think it is correct or not. Like before I written n plus 1, we get this is wrong. 2n plus 1 is possible or not? Think how it is possible. See, if I put n is equal to 0, so 2 into 0 plus 1, I am getting 1, but I should get 2. This is wrong. This is again wrong. Acha. Again think, sir, right? 2n plus 2. 2n plus 2. I am writing n is equal to 0. N is equal to 0. Means see, 2 into 0 plus 2. Is that I getting 2? Yes, na? I am putting n is equal to 1. Means 2 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 2 2 ja 4. Yes, na? If I say n is equal to 3, means 2 into 3 plus 2 is equal to
6.
3 2 ja 6 plus 2 8. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But again we are getting wrong in this. We are getting correct or wrong?
Correct.
No, we are getting wrong. Till here we get the correct. Where we get the 6?
Yes, sir.
Where we get the 6? Means 2 into 3 6. 6 plus 2 8. So actually we have left the term here. So take here 2, right?
Sir.
So 2 2 ja 4 plus 2
6.
6. We are getting correct.
Yes, sir.
Now take n is equal to 3. So 2 into 3 plus 2 is equal to 2 3 ja 6 plus 2 8. So this is correct thing.
Yes, sir.
This is
Correct.
correct. Means for this sequence for this,
Sequence.
we can write a formula 2n plus 2. Yes or no? So anything, any number written that comes through some formula, means if you write in the short form, it came into formula, that will convert to sequence. Correct na? Acha, we have taken this one example as n plus 1. N plus 1. See, which will come here? See, n plus 1 I taken. Here take n is equal to 0. Means directly 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
Acha. N is equal to 1. Means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2.
Yes, sir.
If I take n is equal to 2, means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3.
3.
If n is equal to 3, so 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So our sequence will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dot dot dot.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting how to represent this?
Yes, sir.
True. So if anything coming into directly formula, that is called sequence. That is called
Sequence.
sequence. What is called series? Just written in some manner.
Yes, sir.
Correct, increasing order or decreasing, whatever is that. Means that middle the value, like here 2 difference, here 2 difference, but here 3, here 2. Correct. This is the series. This is a series, but this is a sequence.
Sequence.
Getting what a difference series and sequence?
Yes, sir.
Yes na? This is a sequence.
Sequence.
Correct na? So after combination of this, what all become? That is called arithmetic progression. Arithmetic means numbers and progression means a kind of sequence.
Sequence.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
What is arithmetic progression? Get to know?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now some terms are there in this. Copy it layer.
Yes, sir.
Copy fast. See, so that much in depth is not required that to know the what is progression and what is series and sequence. Correct. That will all things will come in the 11th standard. Now whatever you learn, okay. Now see according to your textbook, some basic terms are there. Like I written 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I written this format. Getting na? Acha. Now if I write not like this. See first term. This is the first term. This is the
First term.
first
Term.
term. First term represented by A1.
A1.
Represented by
A1.
A1. This is
Second term.
second term. This is
Third term.
third term. This is
Fourth term.
fourth term. Correct na? Represented by A1,
A2.
A2, A3, A4, A5. Getting how to represent?
Yes, sir.
Yes na? Acha. One more thing we say, if the difference between these two means 4 minus 2, always this minus this you should do, not this minus this. 4 minus 2 means it will come 2. Yes or no? Here also if you see the difference, it is 2. Yes or no? Here also it is 2. Here also it is 2. Yes or no? So these all are called the common difference. These all are called
Common difference.
common difference. Means properly if you see the meaning, A2 minus A1. A2 minus
A1.
A1 is called common
difference.
represented by small d.
Small d.
Represented by
Small d.
small d. Correct na? And always will be A2 minus A1, not A1 minus A2. Correct na? Here everywhere it can be like A3 minus A2, also common difference only.
Yes, sir.
We can say A4 minus A3, also common difference only. We can say A4 minus A4, A5 minus A4, also common difference only. Correct na? And if everywhere common difference are same, then we can say it is in the arithmetic progression. This is the first rule of arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir.
Getting? If everywhere common differences are same, you can say it is the arithmetic progression. Or we can other word you can say, for being an arithmetic progression, everywhere common difference would be same.
Same.
Getting till here? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. Now, which kind of question will come in this? Which types of question will come? So questions will come like a progression will be given A1, A2, A3, A4. Correct? A progression will give. They will say you to find a 15th term. One kind of question like this. Getting? Some progression will be given. They will say you to find the 15th term, or they will say you to find the last term.
Last time.
Correct? I will say, thus I am saying the types of question.
Yes, sir.
Getting? Acha. In one question they can give the 15th term. They can give the 15th term, and they will ask you to find the first term. Correct? Or like here given A15, A14, A13 is given. 3 term is given and said you to find the A first term.
First term.
Getting? One kind of question can be there like A15, A14, A13, and they are saying you to find the A11th term.
Yes, sir.
Getting? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Or question can be there, find the sum of it, sum of first 10 term, sum of first
Term.
10 term, or sum from the second term to 10 term, or second term to this term. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Which kind of question can come in this? Correct? Acha. I told question can come last term, question to come to find first term, and the sum of the term.
Yes, sir.
So maximum 3 kinds of question will be there in this. 3 kinds of question. One more time can come, but maximum you will get only these 3 types of question. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So till here, okay?
Yes, sir.
Copy it. See, now come to your NCERT book, page number 98. Page number 98. Example number 1. What you understand by that part, okay, in the examples you will understand better. Correct, na? See, question is saying for the AP 3 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma minus 1 by 2, comma minus 3 by 2, dot 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 dot. Write the first term A and the common difference D. Write the first term and the common difference. Correct, na? Means one sequence is given. One sequence is given. Question is saying to write the first term and write the common difference.
Common difference.
Acha. So first term is this only. Are yes or no?
Yes, sir. A1.
First term is 3 by 2. So that one you know, no problem in that. Acha. But what is the common difference? What is the common difference? So if I am assuming this is A1 and this is A2. This is A2. So common difference means A2 minus A1. Correct, na? Means 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Now divide it.
2.
LCM is 2.
Yes, sir.
2 1 ja 2.
Yes, sir.
So 1 into 1 is 1.
1.
2 1 ja 2. 1 into 3 is 3. So minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by
2.
2. Get cancel.
1.
Remain minus 1. Remain minus 1. So what we have common difference?
1.
Minus 1. Correct. If any other place also you want to check it. I am doing here. So minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. See, I am taking common difference of these two. Taking common difference of these two. So this minus this.
Yes, sir.
This one minus this one. So minus 3 by 2 written and minus 1 by 2 written. In between I put minus.
Yes, sir.
Problem? No, na? Now simplify it. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? 2 signs together, so we should
Add.
multiply.
Yes, sir.
If 2 signs together, we should multiply. LCM is 2. So this is minus 3. This is plus 1.
1.
So again minus 2 by 2 is equal to we get
Minus 1.
minus 1. Correct, na? So wherever you see, common difference will be
1.
same only. Minus 1.
Yes, sir.
Getting?
Sir.
True or not?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, copy. Example number 2. Example number 2. Here saying, which of the following a list of AP, if they form an AP, write the next two term. If they form an AP, write next
Two term.
two term. See, question is saying to check is it in the form of AP or not. Is it in the form of AP or not? Or if it is in the AP, write the next two term. At the next two term. Acha. For checking AP, what we will do? We'll check the common difference.
Yes, sir.
We'll check the common difference. So I'm marking just for first question I'll mark. Next question we will do direct. A1, A2, A3, A4. Right now? So common difference is equal to A2 minus A1, or common difference is equal to A3 minus A2, or common difference is equal to
A4 minus A3.
A4 minus A3. Just check we are getting same or not. See, A2 minus A1 is 10 minus 4 is equal to 6.
6.
Here 16 minus 10 is equal to 6.
6.
Here 22 minus 16 is equal to 6. So everywhere common difference is same.
Same.
Common difference is
Same.
same. Means this is in the form of AP.
Yes, sir.
This is in form of AP. So now question is saying find the next two term. Find the next
Two term.
two term. Means A4 we know we should find A5 and we should find A6. Correct na? How to find the next term? How to find the
Next term.
next term? Means A5 is equal to A4 plus common difference. A4 plus
Common difference.
common difference. Getting? A6 is equal to A5 plus common difference. Because see, here if I add in this 6, you will get this.
Yes, sir.
If I add in this common difference, we will get next term.
Yes, sir.
If in this, if we add common difference, we will get next term.
Yes, sir.
Means from here also if you add common difference, we should get next term.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes or no?
20.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here A4 is how much? 22 plus 6 is equal to 28. True?
Yes, sir.
Here 28 plus 6 is equal to
34.
34. So this is your fifth term and this is your sixth term.
Term.
Getting?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Check here. A1, A2, A3, A4.
4.
D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to
A3 minus A2.
D is equal to
A4 minus A3.
correct?
Yes, sir.
Acha. So minus 1 and minus 1 minus 2.
Yes, sir.
Here minus 3. A3 is equal to minus 3 and minus of minus 1
Yes, sir.
is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then here A4 minus 5 minus of minus 3 is equal to
Minus 2.
minus 5 plus 3 is equal to minus 2. So everywhere common difference is same only.
Yes, sir.
Common difference is
Same.
only. So what will get A5 is equal to minus 5. So write formula again. A4 plus D is equal to A5.
Yes, sir.
A4 plus D is equal to A5.
A5.
Means minus 5 minus 2 is equal to minus
7.
7. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now A6 is equal to A5 plus
D.
D is equal to minus 7
Minus 2.
is equal to minus 9. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Acha. Here if you see, here common difference is, common difference
2.
2 minus of minus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? D is equal to
2.
second term minus first term. So this become 4.
4.
This become
4.
4. Acha. Try here. D is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 2. I am getting minus 4.
Yes, sir.
I am getting,
Minus.
so 1 time 4, 1 time minus 4. Both are not same.
Yes, sir.
So this is not an AP.
AP.
This is not an
AP.
AP. So if not an AP, we will not find the next term.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Here also see 1 minus 1, 0.
0.
Means here common difference is 0. Here common difference is also 0. Here common difference is minus 1.
1.
Minus 1 or plus 1? Plus 1.
Plus 1.
So we are not getting same.
Yes, sir.
We are not getting same. So not an AP. Getting? If AP only not there, we will not even find also. Yes or no? Done?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, copy it.